Okay, let's now create an Amazon affiliate program account to get some affiliate Amazon links. Therefore, I type in Amazon affiliate program. Then I will see this affiliate-program.amazon.com. Amazon.com associates central program. And with a click on that, you will see a page that looks mainly like this. And what you can do here is simply click on sign up, or if you already have an account, sign in, of course. And then type in your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, of course, you need to create an Amazon account first, which I will do now with this test email. Okay. And now I will get a verification password as an email to verify that account. So you have to check your email inbox and type in this code here. Okay, I did that, and now I will see this page. So at first you need to give them some account information. Of course, the exact name of the affiliate, in this case you. And then also also the country. I know it says here at first state, province, region, but if you search here, for example, for a city like Vienna, you won't find it, because here at first you need to go for the country, in my case Austria, state or region Vienna, and then postal code, as well as the city. So input as much information as you have. Also here for the phone number. Okay. Here also some suggested improvements, for example, the official name of the city, so the German version, but you can skip that. This point here is important because here you need to enter some websites and mobile app URLs. In my case, this would be, for example, my Instagram URL, my YouTube channel, but also my WordPress blog, so my website, and maybe my TikTok channel. So input as much channels as you have, because they then check these channels if you're allowed to use Amazon affiliate links for these specific websites. Here websites, and here mobile app or Alexa skill URLs. Are any of the traffic sources listed above directly primarily at children under 13? So if you have maybe a mobile app that is only for toddlers, then of course you should click here yes, but then you are mainly not allowed to use Amazon products. Okay, then you have profile. You can choose an associate's store ID if you want. For example, tbcreative.official without the minus. Then something about your content. I make a financial tip content in German on Instagram and YouTube, maybe something like this. The more information, the better. Which of the following best describes your content? That would be, for example, blog or search or content or niche website. In this case, it is mainly like a video and picture blog. How did you hear about us? From the official website. And then there's this capture that checks if you are a human and also the terms and condition that you really should read. With a click on finish, you can take a look at your ID. You can already upload your payment and tax information or enter this information. And then you are on the website. But they can delete your account if they see that some of the websites you input or maybe some of the information you gave is not correct or not good. So everybody gets the account firsthand, but only if your information is valid and if you also, like it says here, input your tax information and your payment information, you will keep your account, okay? I know a lot of guys that really use the affiliate links right away, and 2 weeks later, their account was banned or was deleted simply because the information was not perfectly filled in, and also because they forget about payment and tax information. Here you see the earnings overview for the last 30 days. You will see in gray the number of clicks. You will see the commissions in green and the bounties, so extra commissions, in blue. But mainly it is important how many green or how high the screen scale goes, because you can have 1,000 clicks but $0 earned. And that's it. Up here you see home, you see product links, promotion, tools, and so on. We will mainly focus here on product and banners and discuss all of that in the next video.